Hi, in this video, I will show you how to make a referral. Once you have logged in and selected the organization, use the left navigation bar and select Referrals. Go over to the plus symbol and click Create New Referral. Add the details of the referrer. If that you, leave it to Myself. Provide the details for the young persons. You must complete all questions with an asterisk. When you have completed the Client Details section, select the referral type. In this case, it will be Speech and Language Communication Needs Assessment. Then scroll down and complete the Background section. Here you can upload the communication checklist for the young person. Then click Next. To the Service Requirements section. Please provide information for each question. Remember, the questions marked with an asterisk are required as a minimum to refer. The Area of Concern section is optional. You can scroll down and click Next. This section is also optional. If you don't have anything to add, click Next. You can let us know about anything else in the Comments and Notes fields. Agree to the referral and click Submit. That's it. Your referral has been submitted, and you can make another referral straight away. To view your previous referrals, you can select Go Back to Referrals. Or select Referral from the left navigation options. You can see all pending referrals on this page and select the eye icon to view the referral itself. By scrolling down the page once you load the referral, you have the option to download or print the referral to update your own records. You can see a list of your historical referrals by selecting Referral History. You can then select the eye icon to view the referral submitted with the option to download to update your records. Thank you for watching.